As we did with the earlier exercises, we're going to use a Jupyter notebook for the graded assessment. But this time, once you're done with the exercise, you need to submit your code for grading. In this video, we'll guide you through what you need to do to submit your assessment. It's pretty simple. You'll start by running the notebook and completing the exercise, just as you've done with the other ones. There's a bunch of stuff to fill in and detailed instructions that guide you through the process. Take your time and make sure you've filled in all the functionality that's asked for. Once you're done, you can submit the assignment by clicking the Submit Assignment button at the top. When you submit your assignment, you'll see a pop-up that gives you a link where you can find your assignment results. If you close the pop-up without clicking the link, you can find the results by going back to the course interface and navigating to the next element. The grader can take a few moments to execute your code and check if you've done everything correctly. If you come to this page and it's not done grading, don't panic. Grab a snack, and by the time you come back, it'll be done. If your submission was incomplete or had some mistakes, the grader will let you know that you didn't pass. But don't worry, you can always try again. Go back to the notebook and make sure that you're following all the instructions and complete all the missing functionality. Once you're ready, you can try again by clicking the Submit Assignment button again. And that's all there is to it.